Hello everyone. If you're getting this error, the program can't start because Steam API 64.dll is missing from your computer when you're trying to launch GTA 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying Steam API 64.dll error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Defender, and here what you need to do is you need to click on virus and threat protection, then click on to protection history here. And here you need to make sure that Windows Defender hasn't blocked Steam API.dll from here. So open the recent items and make sure that it's not Steam API.dll. And then what you need to do is you need to click onto virus and threat protection here again. Go into manage settings right under virus and threat protection settings. Then real-time protection off. And then you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Goldberg emulator. You're going to click onto this first link from Mr. Goldberg. You're going to click this latest build, download this up. You're going to open it up and extract both of these files into your GTA 5's directory. So here, I'm going to press OK. And once that's done, now when you try to launch your game, you won't get that Steam API 64.dll error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.